Logistic meaning and vocabulary. Logistic. Logistic is the process of the planning and executing the efficient transportation and storage of goods from the ports of origin to the ports of consumption. The goal of logistics is to meet customer requirements in a timely, cost-effective. How it works? Transport stations and warehouse. Transportation management focus on planning, optimizing, and executing the use of vehicles to move goods between warehouse, retail locations, and consumer. Logistic component. The management of logistics can involve some or all of the following business functions including inbound transportation, outbound transportation, fleet management, warehousing, material handling, order fulfillment, inventory management, demand planning. Why logistics is important? Although many small businesses focus on the design and production of their products and services to best meet customer needs, if those products cannot reach consumers, the business will fail. That's the major role that logistics plays.
Inventory is the term for the goods available for sale, and raw material used to produce goods available for sale. Inventory one of the most important assets of business because the turnover of inventory represents one of the primary sources of revenue generation and subsequent earnings for the company shareholder. Example, we make an inventory of the library collection. Manufacturing refers to the process of converting raw material components or parts into finished goods that meet a customer expectation or specification. Manufacturing commonly employs a man-machine setup with division of labor in a large-scale production. Example, in order to keep trading at this rate, we may need to build a manufacturing plant. I can't put these parts together yet. There are too many for one man to do.
Distribution. Distribution refers to the movement of goods and services from the source through a distribution channel, right up to the final customer, consumer or user, and movement of payment in opposite direction, right up to the original producer or supplier. Example, you need to try and have an even distribution of work put out to your employees so they all can work the same amount. Storage. Storage is non-transitory, semi-permanent, or long-term containment, holding, living, or placement of goods or materials, usually with the intention of retrieving them at a later time. It does not include the interim accumulation of the limited amount during processing, maintenance, or repair. Example, the storage of the inventory was demanding because every item must be refrigerated constantly or else the goods will go rotten. Fixed cost. Fixed cost is a periodic cost that remains more or less unchanged, irrespective of the output level or sale revenue, such as depreciation, insurance, interest, rent, salaries, and wages. Example: it is good to put a fixed cost on your products and not allow for any negotiation if you know the demand is.
Shipping. Shipping refers to the process of transporting an item, usually through the mail. Shipping is a very basic, common way of getting an item from the one place to another, or from the one person to another. Example: the shipping method we used was not low cost, but our product arrived safely and on time, so we were happy. Capability is measure of the ability of an entity, department, organization, person, system to achieve its objective, especially in relation to its overall mission. Example: your capability to handle the task and team for the job was excellent. Your exemplified great leadership and communication skills. Improve is the act of enhancing or marketing better in terms of quality, volume, or usefulness. This can be by making ideas, objects, or processes more desirable by adding or removing components. The term can be also be applied to people as well, where methods such as performance reviews, which are meant to try and